Every year, billions of ripe coffee cherries are hand-picked from the mist-covered highlands of Latin America, Africa, and Asia, the birthplaces of the world's most beloved beverage. From steep mountain farms to busy processing stations, each cherry begins a journey shaped by precision, patience, and tradition. In the first stages, farmers and workers carefully sort, weigh, and prepare the harvest for transport, ensuring only the highest quality fruit moves forward. What begins as red fruit on tropical soil will soon be transformed into the roasted beans that power mornings, economies, and entire cultures. So how do humble mountain cherries become the coffee that fuels the modern world? Stay until the end as we reveal the entire process of coffee, from farm to cup. In 2025, the United States is projected to import more than $9 billion worth of coffee, maintaining its position as the largest coffee importer in the world. Behind every espresso shot and instant packet lies a vast network of farmers, exporters, and roasters, a global system bound by trade, taste, and tradition. Yet, as coffee demand grows, the challenges of sustainability deepen. Fair wages, deforestation, and carbon-intensive production threaten the very roots of the crop. Should America continue fueling its coffee obsession through mass imports, or lead a global shift toward fair trade, climate-smart farming that protects both the farmer and the future of coffee itself? Every year, billions of coffee cherries are harvested from farms across tropical regions. Workers carefully pick ripe fruit by hand, navigating steep hills and dense plantations. Trucks and carts carry the cherries to collection centers, where they are weighed, sorted, and logged. This massive first step ensures a steady supply for global coffee production, forming the foundation for all later roasting and grinding processes. Cherries are washed to remove dirt, leaves, and unripe fruit. Mechanical pulpers separate the outer skin from the bean inside. Water channels, vibrating tables, and sorting machines eliminate defective or broken beans. Workers monitor the process continuously to maintain quality and ensure uniformity, preparing the cherries for controlled drying without compromising flavor or consistency. Drying begins on sun patios or in mechanical drum dryers. Moisture is reduced to 10 to 12% to prevent mold, cracking, or spoilage. Sensors, rotating drums, and careful airflow ensure each batch dries evenly. This stage preserves the quality and structural integrity of billions of beans before they move to hulling and grading. Dried beans undergo hulling to remove the parchment layer, leaving green coffee beans. Sieves and density separators sort the beans by size and quality, while defective beans are discarded or recycled. Manual inspection ensures only top-quality beans proceed to roasting, establishing the standard for flavor, aroma, and consistency in every batch. Processed beans are packaged in jute bags or bulk containers and prepared for shipment to roasting facilities worldwide. Logistics, tracking, and storage maintain freshness across long distances. By completing this stage, raw coffee cherries are transformed into durable, transportable green beans ready for the next phase of industrial processing. Green coffee beans arrive at roasting facilities where every batch is weighed, logged, and staged for high-temperature processing. Industrial drum roasters heat beans between 180 degrees Celsius and 240 degrees Celsius, initiating chemical reactions that create flavor, aroma, and color. Sensors and operators monitor temperature, airflow, and timing to ensure billions of beans roast evenly, preventing undercooked or burnt batches. Inside rotating roasters, beans expand, release moisture, and develop oils. Heat transforms their chemical structure, generating sugars and aromatic compounds essential for taste. Automated sensors continuously track temperature and roast time, while operators adjust heat to maintain precise roast profiles. Consistency at this stage ensures industrial-scale flavor uniformity across all batches. After roasting, beans are rapidly cooled using air or water systems to halt chemical reactions. Cooling preserves aroma, flavor, and structural integrity. Continuous monitoring guarantees even cooling across millions of kilograms, preventing over-roasting or moisture retention that could compromise quality. Each batch is checked for uniform color and aroma before moving forward. Roasted beans are sieved and graded by size and density to remove broken or defective pieces. Manual inspections complement mechanical sorting, confirming that only high-quality beans meet industrial and flavor standards. This ensures that billions of beans entering packaging or grinding stages maintain the intended roast profile, aroma, and consistency for consumers worldwide. Finished roasted beans are packaged in jute bags, vacuum-sealed containers, or bulk industrial sacks. Labeled and staged, they are prepared for shipment to grinding facilities, retailers, and distributors globally. This step transforms roasted beans into a stable, transportable product, ready to continue their journey toward cups of coffee enjoyed worldwide. Roasted coffee beans arrive at grinding facilities where industrial mills reduce them to uniform sizes. Burr grinders and roller mills crush beans to coarse, medium, or fine grinds depending on product specifications. Sensors monitor particle size continuously, ensuring consistency across millions of kilograms processed daily. Precision at this stage preserves flavor, aroma, and brewing quality. Ground coffee moves along conveyor belts to automated packaging lines. Vibratory feeders control the flow, while sieves and metal detectors remove oversized particles and debris. Each batch is digitally weighed and logged to maintain traceability, ensuring industrial standards for mass production are met. Packaging machines fill bags, cans, or pods with precise amounts of ground coffee. Sealing systems create airtight packages that preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Labels print batch numbers, roast dates, and product information, enabling complete tracking from production to shelves worldwide. Quality control teams inspect ground coffee and packaging for defects. Visual inspection, weight verification, and aroma sampling remove any off-spec batches. Only products meeting industrial and flavor standards proceed to distribution, maintaining consistency across billions of units produced annually. Packed coffee is palletized, labeled, and staged for shipment. Trucks, trains, and cargo containers deliver products to cafes, retailers, and industrial buyers worldwide. This stage transforms roasted and ground coffee into a stable, transportable, and consumer-ready product, completing a key step in the industrial coffee process. Packaged coffee is loaded onto trucks, trains, and cargo ships for global distribution. Digital tracking logs every pallet and container, ensuring billions of units reach warehouses, distributors, and retail locations efficiently. Temperature and humidity controls preserve freshness during long-distance transport. At distribution centers, pallets are unloaded, sorted, and stored in climate-controlled warehouses. Inventory management systems monitor stock levels and batch numbers, coordinating shipments to supermarkets, cafes, and industrial buyers. This centralized logistics network ensures products move quickly and reliably. Retailers and coffee shops receive shipments and prepare products for sale. Staff monitor storage conditions, rotate stock, and maintain product quality. Whether beans, ground coffee, or pods, careful handling preserves flavor and aroma until consumption. Point-of-sale operations connect the global network to consumers. Baristas and retailers track inventory, adjust supply, and maintain consistency. Millions rely on this system daily to access fresh, flavorful coffee with minimal delay from production. From warehouses to cafes and homes, billions of packages move annually through the global coffee network. Every step, transportation, storage, and retail handling, preserves quality, freshness, and flavor. This stage ensures that coffee is ready for the final transformation, brewing into the beverage millions enjoy each day. Millions of cups are brewed daily in homes, offices, and cafes worldwide. Each cup represents coffee that traveled thousands of miles, passed through roasting, grinding, and packaging, and was handled with precision. Consumption occurs at an unprecedented scale, supporting a global network of farmers, roasters, and distributors. Used coffee grounds, pods, and packaging generate massive amounts of waste. Cafes and households collect grounds, while manufacturers track packaging disposal. Industrial composting and municipal waste systems process billions of kilograms annually, preventing environmental overload and reclaiming organic material where possible. Recycling programs transform spent coffee grounds into compost, fertilizers, and biofuels. Packaging materials, including cans, paper, and plastics, are collected and processed in industrial recycling facilities. These initiatives reduce waste, conserve resources, and help close the loop in the global coffee supply chain. Sustainability practices are implemented across the industry. Roasters and distributors adopt reusable packaging, monitor energy use, and support farm-level programs that maintain soil quality and reduce environmental impact. Innovations in processing and logistics minimize carbon footprints while maintaining global supply. From consumption to waste management and recycling, every stage demonstrates the scale, coordination, and precision behind a simple cup of coffee. The journey of trillions of beans, from farm to cup and beyond, reflects a global system that delivers flavor, energy, and enjoyment to millions daily. If this journey from farm to cup gave you a new look at what fuels your mornings, don't just sip and scroll. Support the story behind every process. Hit subscribe, tap the notification bell, and share this video to keep exploring how the world is built. One creation at a time, from start to finish. From the taste that wakes you up, to the tool that keeps your smile clean. The next process is something you use every single day without a second thought. Factories running non-stop to produce one of the most essential items in human hygiene. Up next, how billions of toothbrushes are made, from plastic to daily use.